First of all, I just want to take a moment and thank Jumbo and Delicious. One of the best burgers we've had in Tennessee. They are amazing, loving people. Thank you so much for sponsoring our ever first annual Burger Wars tour. We are going to the next spot. Okay, so this is where we met the host. He's gonna seat us at a table. And there's your little bit of merch. And looks like they want an award up there. I don't know what it says. And then this is what the place looks like. Okay, a little loud in here. A little dark in here, so I got my light on. Urban stacks the menu. Killer burgers and manly drinks. Everybody sells alcohol, tons of it. Okay, here we go. Bacon potato skins, fried bologna sliders, French onion soup. Wow, nice variety. Fried chickpeas, urban nachos, smoked hot pimento cheese dip. There you go. There's some salads right there. House-made dressing. Everything's locally grown at Urban Stack. Here's your hamburger, Urban Classics right there. Big cheese, Philly cheesesteak burger, the Italian, shoulder fried Angus, and then over here you got specialty stacks. Farm burger. We're doing great.
Good.
Okay, not that I'm telling you a secret or anything, because it's just me filming in the dark here. But basically, we ordered 2 burgers. We're doing the gourmet bacon burger, which she likes, our waitress, and the people order the Asian Q. So we're getting one of each burger to see which one's better, and we'll rate that one on Burger Wars, okay? And we also ordered shakes all around. We got some cookies and cream, some chocolate mint. They're supposed to be really good, so we'll find out. And what did you get, Mitch? What shake did you get? You got a cookies and cream, right?
Yeah, okay. It's not on the menu.
So we'll do that. And the French fries are just regular old handcuff fries. Okay, we got the light on the camera here. We're showing you. They got Chipotle ketchup on the table. That's amazing. Who's trying it? Who's trying it? But right there, baby. You got to try this. Chipotle ketchup. Everybody's putting their hand in there. Can you tell we're like family now? Not bad.
It's got a little kick.
Really good.
Really good.
Really good?
Really good.
All right. Here you go. It's always better off my wife's finger. Sorry. You guys, good thing I don't have comments on it anymore.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, that Chipotle ketchup's really good. That's really good. I have a Chipotle ketchup recipe. I haven't released to anybody yet. In fact, I filmed it on the show, and I deleted the video. I destroyed it because it was so good. I didn't want to tell anybody the recipe. Seriously. So, oh wow, it's still heating up. I'm loving that ketchup. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try and get a bottle of that for both of us. We're gonna take home Chipotle ketchup. If they fill it up and give it to us, take home. We'll take it. That's awesome. The glass looks new, the windows look new, but if you look at the wall back there, all the brick, you know this is a big old building. Here's some old antique stuff. The lighting here is very low. My phone is making it look really good in here.
Some cream.
There we go. What do you got over there? Revealing cream. That's the triple berry.
Yes.
Hey, that looks pretty good. Nice and purple. And what do you got? A mint chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay. You're first. You've been craving a shake the whole ride. She went on the internet to make sure they had shakes here. Is it really good? Really good. Smooth. Are you gonna turn yours upside down? Be careful.
Oh, that's good, dude.
Cookies and cream's good? All right, go ahead. It's good?
Really good.
Yeah? What berries are in it?
That's blueberries. I think it's got blueberries, raspberries, and strawberry probably.
Triple berry. All right, here we go. Wow, that's pretty good. That tastes like it. That tastes like an Oreo cookie. It even has cookie crumbles. Look at this.
It is.
Right on top.
Yes.
Cookie crumble pieces. I love that. So that's the Asian Q, huh? And that's sriracha sauce on top, right?
That's what she said.
And we have the French fries. Hold on a minute. And then we got, what is this one? Gourmet Q?
That's the gourmet cheeseburger.
No, that's the Asian Q. That's gourmet
That is.
burger. Bacon burger. We got onion rings with that. Look at that. Thank you. Looking beautiful. A little bit of pink. That's exactly how we ordered it. Thank you so much.
Exactly.
Look at that one. A little bit of pink. Brown on
this
the
one, Tammy?
outside.
I just want a small one, yeah.
There's pink in there too.
That's perfect.
So go ahead, Tam. You go first.
Look at
Okay, I'm gonna do this. Look at that, Jack.
there's your pink.
Oh my God.
Okay, so I'm gonna do this one first because the Asians got hot, so I'm not
Okay,
doing
go.
that.
You're doing the gourmet burger
The
first.
gourmet burger first.
Go ahead. You let us know which one you like better. Now you're doing the Asian.
Yep.
Which one's better?
I'll tell you outside.
What?
I'll tell you outside.
Quit looking at me. You're making red eyes. Stop it.
I'll tell you outside.
Oh, you'll tell me outside. Okay. Who's next?
Okay.
Mitch, you ready?
Yeah, I am.
Which one's which?
I don't know. What is this one with the lettuce?
That's the bourbon or whatever it is.
We're good.
All right. Sorry for the light, guys, but it's so dark in here. Can't see anything. Is that the gourmet? That's the Asian or the gourmet?
The gourmet.
So now you're doing the Asian.
Yep.
Wow, that thing squirted. Dude, you're making a mess over there.
That's all right.
You got a taste of each of them?
I do.
All right. Go ahead, Gina.
I know, Mike.
You don't have to look at the camera. Just dive into that. Was that?
Gourmet.
That's the gourmet one, right? Seems like everybody doing gourmet first. And then we'll go to the Asian. Looks good. Alright, we're all good. Okay, so that's the gourmet one?
Yes,
That's the one
with
you
the,
put in.
the lettuce.
Yeah. Alright, bring it in. Bring the plate in. Here we go. This is gourmet. Alright. Here's the Asian.
Okay, so it was really good. The flavors were fresh. The meat was moist. The fries were really good. The shakes were really good too. So overall, if I lived here, I'd come here.
Gina, what's up?
It was good. If I lived here, I'd come here.
You would come here a lot?
I don't need it. I don't need it.
So people come here?
Yeah, it's packed in there.
So we should come in the off hours, right? Right
Yeah.
when they open?
Yeah,
Alright, cool.
that's it.
Thank you so much.
It was yummy.
So this place was solid. It really was. We did 2 burgers here. We did the gourmet cheeseburger, and then we did the Asian. Can't remember what it was called.
Asian Q.
Asian
That
Q
was
was
it,
good.
yeah.
Man. If you are into a more of a spicy burger with sriracha in it, that's the one to go to. If you wanted the gourmet burger, which had some blue cheese in there and that exploded, it was really, really good. Which was my favorite, by the way. So I just really wasn't in the mood for spicy, but for today, that's what it was. The bun was amazing because when you bite into that thing, you don't taste the bun. It was so good. The fries were solid. The shakes were really good. So overall, this is a great neighborhood place. I would come back every day if I could. So yeah, good for them.
Hey there. What's up? Okay. A lot of good things. This is like the top 3 of our tour. These guys were rocking. Their shakes are good. Their fries are just plain fries, but you know what? We really enjoyed the flavor. Whatever the seasoning with it, the chipotle ketchup helped the fries. It was good. We love the bun. We love the burger, perfectly cooked. There were so many good things to say about this place. This is a rockin' place. It's packed. It's busy all the time, so get here in the off hours if you want to grab a table, okay? Show them some love, and these guys were amazing. All right? Take care, and I'll see you. Oh, wait a minute. You know what? I'm craving a burger right now. I don't know why.